Hi everyone, I'm Christina and welcome to the second video in our A-Level Mathematics Calculus series. This video will be a brief introduction to differentiation. So our objectives for this video are to give a definition for the derivative, which we're defining as f dash of x, of a function f of x at a point x. So at this stage, we're not concerned with calculating the derivative itself. We're just concerned with the general definition, and we will look at the expression from first principles in the next video. So we're just going to give a word definition for our derivative f dash of x. And we're also introducing differentiation. Okay. So to start with, for a curve of the function f of x, we will define its derivative as f dash of x. So f dash of x is also known as the gradient function and can be written as dy over dx. So f dash of x that we see up here is equivalent to dy over dx. And I've written here to find the derivative of a function f of x at a point x, we compute f dash of x. So that's how we're finding the derivative of a function f of x. So the process for finding the derivative of a function is known as differentiation. The derivative f dash of x is the gradient of the curve at the point with x coordinate x. So when we calculate our derivative, we are finding the gradient of the curve at the point with the x coordinate x, which we looked at in the previous video. And in the next video, we'll see where this idea comes from by defining the derivative from first principles.